As a truck driver, a reliable AC system is your best friend. That's why you need the Alliance AC Compressor Install Kit. Let me explain to you why. In my hands is the Alliance AC Compressor Install Kit. It contains everything you need to change the AC compressor on a medium or heavy-duty truck in one convenient box. Each Alliance AC Compressor Install Kit contains the AC compressor, expansion valves, caps, receiver dryer, tag oil and measuring cup, and all seals to complete the job. Now I know what you might be thinking. Why wouldn't I just buy these parts individually? It's got to be cheaper than buying the kit. Wrong. If you bought all these parts individually, you'd be paying over $700. I personally don't want to spend that kind of money. Do you? Fortunately, this month, California Truck Centers has got this kit on sale for $299. Comes with a 1-year warranty.
If you plan on replacing your own AC compressor, all parts included in the kit must be replaced. If you don't want the hassle of doing it yourself, our service team will happily do it for you.
Don't wait, the sale ends March 31st.
This is a deal you don't want to miss.